Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the first part of this series, we have covered the essential step of acrylic application and why each step is important. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. I have included the link in the description box below as well as in the right hand corner of the video. Today in the part 2, we are diving deeper into nail artistry. We will learn how to create a stunning ombre nails and master the art of gel application. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is for you. Part 2 takes our acrylic knowledge to the next level by exploring advanced techniques like ombre nails and gel application. I will walk you through each process with easy to follow instructions so you can replicate the techniques at home or in the salon. In the previous video, we covered all the steps of acrylic application including buffing to achieve a smooth and flawless finish. Now it's time to dive into gel application. Let's get started. Applying gel polish on acrylic nails is a straightforward process that results in a glossy, long-lasting finish. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Begin by ensuring that the acrylic nails are clean and free from any dust. Step 2. Start by applying a thin, even layer of gel polish to the acrylic nails. Be sure to cover the entire nail surface and cap the free edge for maximum durability. Step 3. Once the gel polish is applied, place the nails under a UV or LED lamp and cure them according to the manufactured instructions. Typically, curing time ranges from 30 to 60 seconds depending on the brand of gel polish and the strength of the lamp. This helps to set the polish and ensure a long-lasting finish. To apply the gel polish, start by taking a small drop of polish and place it near the cuticle of the nail. Gently push the drop towards the cuticle, then back towards the edge of the nail, ensuring full coverage along the middle cuticle. Repeat this process on the right and the left side of the cuticle. Make sure the first layer is thin and evenly distributed. This technique ensures that every part of the nail is covered. Once applied, cure the gel polish under a UV light to set it. This simple method ensures a clean and precise application for beautiful long-lasting nails. Just like the first hand, you will follow the same step-by-step process to cover the second hand with gel polish. Now let's talk about why gel polish is important and the difference between regular nail polish and gel polish. Gel polish is important because it offers several advantages over traditional nail polish. Firstly, gel polish lasts longer without chipping, peeling or fading, making it ideal for those who want a longer lasting manicure. Additionally, gel polish dries quickly under a UV or LED lamp, reducing the risk of smudging. This means you can get back to your daily activities without worrying about ruining your manicure. The main difference between gel polish and regular nail polish lies in their formulation and application methods. Gel polish requires curing under a UV light to dry and harden, while regular nail polish air dries. Gel polish is also more durable and resistant to chipping, making it suitable for people with busy lifestyle or those who work with their hands frequently. All over, gel polish offers a sleek, long-lasting finish that's perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance manicure option. Moving on to the second layer of gel polish, you will apply it in the same manner as before, but this time it should be slightly thicker. Make sure to apply it evenly, avoiding contact with the cuticles or skin. If any gel polish gets on the skin, simply remove it with acetone or a wipe. This ensures a clean and precise application for flawless nails. Once you have applied the second layer of gel polish, cure it under UV light for 60 seconds. Next, you will add a matte top coat to half of the nail. This not only saves product but also sets the stage for the ombre effect we are going to create. By applying the matte coat to only half of the nail, we can achieve a unique and eye-catching look without any waste product. It's a simple yet effective way to maximize the use of your materials and create a stunning nail design. Once the matte top coat is applied and cured under UV light for around 60 seconds, it's time to create the ombre effect. You can use a brush, fan brush or sponge for this technique. I have chosen to do the ombre with the powder. You can go with the gel polish or else powder. If you're not having both, you can do it with eyeshadow also. Use the brush, fan brush or sponge to gently brush the colors together in a swapping motion, moving from side to side. Continue blending until you achieve a smooth transition between the two colors, creating the desired ombre effect. If needed, you can add more powder and blend again until you're happy with the result. Once you have achieved the desired ombre effect, cure the nails under the UV light for around 30 seconds. This simple technique allows you to create stunning ombre nails with ease, perfecting for adding a touch of elegance to your manicure. Once you have achieved the desired ombre effect, it's time to add a shiny top coat to seal the design. The shiny top coat not only adds a glossy finish but also helps to protect the ombre effect and extend the longevity of your manicure. Be sure to apply the top coat evenly over the entire nail, covering the ombre design completely. Once applied, cure the nails under the UV light for 30 seconds. The shiny top coat acts as a protective barrier, shield the acrylic nails from everyday wear and tear, including scratch and chips. By sealing the acrylic nails with the top coat, we extend longevity of the manicure, ensuring that it stays looking fresh and flawless for a longer period of time. The shiny top coat adds a glossy finish to the nails, enhancing their appearance and giving them a polished, professional look. Applying a top coat helps to smooth out any imperfection or unevenness in the acrylic nails, creating a smooth and even surface. Overall, using a shiny top coat to seal the last set of acrylic nails ensure that they not only look beautiful but also remain protected and durable for an extended period. Once you have completed the nail design, take a moment to admire the beauty of your nails and appreciate the flawless finish. Do not hesitate to try this design at home and share your result in the comments below. In this video, I have chosen to create a glitter ombre effect on the ring finger, and let me tell you, it's super easy to achieve. All you need to do is apply the gel polish and blend it seamlessly with a brush. Remember, blending is the key when it comes to creating the perfect ombre effect. With a little practice and patience, you will be able to master this technique and achieve stunning result every time. Additionally, don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and techniques to personalize your ombre design. Whether you prefer a subtle or a bold, eye-catching look, the possibilities are endless. So grab your gel polish and brushes and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to share your beautiful creation with us in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it feels challenging at first. With time and practice, you will master the technique and achieve stunning ombre nails effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more nail art tutorials and tips. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see your beautiful creation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.